Hello all. This is a small video of how the library module works in the My Class Campus app. So here is the library module as you can see over here. So when we click on this module, we get to see that I have created a demo library over here. In the same way, you can create the name of the library you have in your institute and merge the institutes accordingly to that library, especially with the creator's name or the admin's name and the institute. So once the library is created, on the left hand side, if you can see, we have the master setup. All the libraries in any institutes are segregated as per the book categories, racks, authors, departments, etc. So we have different kinds of features, for examples, the categories, the racks, etc. where I have shown here how in the book categories, you can just go and add a book category accordingly as per your needs. Also, there are book racks shown over here. So if you have your books arranged as per the racks, you can arrange it as per that. Also, you have the book authors over here. So if you have the books arranged as per the authors, you can even put that accordingly. In the similar way, the book departments, in the book departments we have categories and then the subcategories. For example, I have shown here class 10th. In class 10th there is a category and then there is a subcategory. So in this similar way you can create the departments and in that the categories and the subcategories. After that, if you have any other custom fields which you need to have in your library, you can even do that also. After a master setup of all these things are done, then we have the book master as shown here. So you can see that in the book master we have the books, the issue books and the return books. So when you go to the books, all the books that you have could be put up accordingly as per the categories, racks, authors, etc. For example, if I go to create new books and here are the fields, the same fields, you can just click and select the fields. Like if I say a book categories, all my categories fall down. So accordingly, all the books that you have could be arranged here in the library accordingly. Once the books are arranged, as you can see, I have some categories over here, demo categories. So if I click on music, so I have three music books, the name, the book category, everything comes up, and also the barcodes are generated automatically by the system itself. You can also print out these barcodes and stick them up on your book itself. So these are the barcode generators which the system generates itself for each book copy that they have. After that, if you have all the books set up and all is done, you can also issue a book as per student's name wise. So for example, if I say I want to generate a book or issue a book for a girl named Ria, so I'll select the name, I'll select it, select, and I'll go to the book name or number, for example title music, and click on search. Once the book comes, I can just, so here the science books are here. You can just select the book and issue it as per the barcodes given. So once it is issued, the system tracks it that the so and so student has issued for the library book. If not, after the book issuing, you can also, when the student comes up to return a book, you can come here and again put up the data of the student coming to return the book. Accordingly, issued and returned books, in that all the data would be there. For example, I'll just click on last month and get a data. So right now there is no data, so custom range, in just a second. Yes, so I'll just click on a kind of a custom range over here and click on get data. So yes, from May 4 to June 26, these students have issued or returned a book, and accordingly you can keep a track of that. Also, all the reports are there, as you can see on the left hand side: book find report, current due report, and master reports. So in this way, the library module works for barcodes, assigning the books category wise, rack wise, author wise, etc. And you can keep a track of all the information of the books issued or returned by any students. Thank you.